In continuation with the cell signaling devices, that how cell uses different devices to communicate with each other, we'll discuss the types of extracellular messengers which cell uses quite commonly. Now, extracellular messengers, they are small molecules. That is the amino acids and their derivatives, steroids, then eicosanoids, polypeptides, and proteins. These are the biomolecules, but small molecules which cell uses quite often as a extracellular messenger. Now, what are amino acid derivatives? Their example include like glutamate, glycine, acetylcholine, epinephrine, dopamine, and the thyroid hormones. Hormones, most of them, are also, some of them are small molecules. And these molecules, as a matter of fact, act as neurotransmitters and the hormones to control the cells. They are the controlling devices and the communicating devices which cell uses quite often with that. Now, steroids, which are derived from cholesterol, steroid hormone, they regulate sexual differentiation in the cell during the pregnancy, also carbohydrate metabolism and excretion of sodium and potassium ions. These are some of the important examples which these steroids control during the cell communication. Now, eicosanoids, they are nonpolar molecules containing more 20 carbon and are derived from a fatty acid which is known as arachidonic acid. ये उसके derivative हैं which are known as eicosanoid, and they are not more than 20 carbon atom molecule which the cell uses. Now, eicosanoids, what are the processes which are controlled by eicosanoids? These are eicosanoids, they regulate a variety of processes. बहुत से processes हैं जिनको ये regulate करते हैं during the communication. For example, pain, दर्द, inflammation of the organ, blood pressure, और blood clotting, जिनको ये control करते हैं during that. Now, several over-the-counter drugs जो कि available हैं, they are used to treat headaches and inflammation, and they inhibit, क्या करते हैं, eicosanoid synthesis. इनका synthesis जो है, ये जो drugs हैं, जो कि पेन किलर्स हैं, जो कि हैं, उनको उसके synthesis को वो inhibit कर देते हैं, रोक देते हैं, so that we don't feel the pain. Then there are polypeptides and the proteins which are also used, and some of these are present as transmembrane proteins. Remember, proteins, they play an important role, and they are also there to synthesize and to control the membranes. Membranes are another important organ, or whatever you say, structure, which are used for the control or transmitting these signaling. And the transmembrane proteins on the surface of an interacting cell, others are part of associated with the extracellular matrix. कुछ तो सेल के सरफेस पे होते हैं, and some of them are extracellular, जो कि सेल के बाहर होते हैं, साइटोप्लाज्म के बाहर, और वो उसको कंट्रोल करते हैं. Now, some of these proteins, they are excreted, which are involved in regulating the processes. ये जो ہیں لارج نمبر آف پروٹین جو کہ ایکسکریٹ کرتی ہیں، جو کہ بنائی جاتی ہیں، وہ کیا کرتی ہیں؟ پروسیس کو کنٹرول کرتی ہیں. اور کون کون سے پروسیس کو؟ فار ایگزامپل سیل ڈویژن، کہ جب سیل نے ڈیوائڈ ہونا ہوتا ہے، سیل ڈفرینشیشن اینڈ دا امیون رسپانس، کہ امیونٹی جو ہے وہ کس طرح ڈیولپ کرنی ہے، اینڈ سیل ڈیتھ اینڈ سیل سروائیول، دیٹ ہاؤ دا سیل ہیز ٹو بی ایکسپائرڈ. کیونکہ سیل ایک مارٹل تو نہیں ہے نا، امارٹل نہیں ہے، اس نے ڈائی ہونا ہے. تو یہ جو پروٹینز ہیں دے کنٹرول دا پروسیس آف ڈیتھ ایز ویل ایز دے ٹیچ دا سیل ٹو سروائیو، کہ کس طرح سروائیو ہوتے ہیں. تو ان دس ماڈیول وی ہیو ڈسکسڈ دیٹ واٹ آر دا ایکسٹرا سیلولر مالیکولز which control the cell's communication, cell's different process regulation.